everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. I'm Coretta. In this video, I will be showing you how to cut a rhinestone template with Cricut to make this rhinestone t-shirt. Come on, y'all. Let's get started. For this project, I will be using rhinestone flock, Hotfix Rhinestone transfer tape. I will be using rhinestones in the color of my choice, a black t-shirt, a painter's edge brush to brush in my rhinestones, and a wax pencil to help me get rhinestones into the areas where a rhinestone did not go. I will leave a list of these items in the description of this video. For this project, I will be making a rhinestone t-shirt using a rhinestone template, Proverbs 31 Woman, from my Etsy store. After purchasing the template and downloading it to the computer, you will need to upload the rhinestone template into Cricut Design Space. To upload, I am going to select Upload on the left toolbar. I'm going to select Upload Image. I'm going to select Browse. And I am going to browse to the location of the template, of the rhinestone template. I'm going to select the rhinestone template and then I'm going to select Open. Once the template uploads, I am going to select Continue in the bottom right corner. Here on the image detail screen, I am not going to do anything here, so I am going to select Upload in the bottom right hand corner. Now the rhinestone template is on the canvas and I am going to make sure that the template uploaded at the correct size. Sometimes when uploading rhinestone designs into Cricut Design Space, it may not come in at the correct size, so you always want to check the size. According to the Etsy thumbnail, the rhinestone design should be 10.795 in width, 11.188 in height. Back in Cricut Design Space, I am going to select the entire rhinestone template and check the width and the height. If it is not the correct size, then I am going to correct the size. So I'm going to zoom in so I can see the whole design. I am going to select the whole design, and on the top toolbar, I am going to check the size. The width says 10.795 and the height is 11.188. And that is the dimensions that the Etsy thumbnail said that this rhinestone template should be. Now that I have checked the size of the rhinestone template, I am ready to cut it. So I am going to select Make It in the upper right corner. On this screen, I have 3 color coordinated mats. There is nothing to do here because the rhinestone design will be picked up with Hotfix transfer tape. So I am going to select Continue on the bottom right. Here on the material screen, I am going to select the material setting I created to cut rhinestone flock. My material setting is rhinestone flock. I named it Rhinestone Flock HTW Pink. And the material setting is 345 cut pressure, 1 pass using a fine point blade. I will leave a link in the video description to a video showing how to create your own custom material setting. I am going to get the rhinestone template cut, then I will come back to show how I brush in the rhinestones. Now that I have everything cut, I am going to brush the Hotfix Rhinestones into the rhinestone template. I'm going to start with the first layer, and I'm just going to pour a lot of rhinestones out onto the template. So I'm just going to pour a lot of rhinestones down on the template. And then I am going to brush them in a circular motion until they fall into the design. Now I am going to use the wax pencil to place rhinestones where they did not brush into the circles. Next, I am going to use the Hotfix transfer tape to pick up the rhinestones. When applying the Hotfix transfer tape, you want to commit with your downward motion because once you place it down, you cannot pick it up to make any adjustments. Now I'm going to remove the Hotfix transfer tape with the rhinestones on it and place it back on the backing until I am ready to press. I will repeat this process for the remaining layers. So I have all the layers ready to be pressed. Okay, so here I am at the heat press. I have already lint rolled and pre-pressed the shirt to remove moisture and some of the wrinkles. I have placed the first layer on the shirt 3 inches from the bottom of the collar. I am going to press at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. I will place my next layer, making sure that I do not overlap any of the rhinestones that is already on the shirt. And so I'm just going to place it inside of the rhinestones that are already pressed on the shirt. And I am going to press this layer at 350 for 15 seconds. And the next layer, and again I am placing it inside of the rhinestones that are already on the shirt, making sure that I am not overlapping any of the stones that is already on the shirt. Once I have everything placed, I am going to press this at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. Now I am going to place my final layer. Again, I am placing the rhinestones on the shirt, making sure that I do not overlap any of the stones that are already on the shirt. Once I have that in place, I am going to press this for 350 degrees for 15 seconds. All right, guys, let's see the final result. OMG. This looks gorgeous. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh wow. This is pretty. Oh wow. What do you think, guys? What do you think? All right, guys. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to follow along with my process. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will respond back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.